Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy A Kalaiva. Today we have to see class 4 subject science. The topic name is teeth and microbes. The last session we saw about the teeth, two sets of teeth, different types of teeth, and then a structure of tooth, like that we saw that. No, today we have to see about the microorganisms. Okay. See, what are microorganisms? You know that. See, what is microorganism? This microorganism is otherwise also called microbes. It is also called microbes. What does mean microbes? Means microbes are very tiny living things. Very tiny living things. Okay. So, microbes means it is also called microorganism. It is also called microorganism. Okay. Organism means what is that? Organism means, see, organism means living thing. So, we know that in the world it has the non-living thing and living thing is there. No, we know that living thing means human beings, animals, plants are living thing. Is it or not? These living things we can see as normally we can see with our naked eye. No, but some living thing is there, we cannot see them with our naked eye. So, like this living things are called microorganism. Organism means living thing, micro means very tiny. So, microorganism is also called microbes. Microbes means very tiny living things are called microbes. Okay. How tiny they are means they are tiny, can't be seen only through the microscope. How tiny they are means we cannot see them with our naked eye. Even some microbes are there in our hand also, but we cannot see them with our naked eye. Then how can we see that microbes means? We can see these microbes through a microscope. It is the microscope. See, this is the structure of microscope. Okay. This microscope, we keep the things here means we can see like this microorganisms. Okay. See, a small like a small glass piece is there. It is called the slide. Okay. We can collect some microbes and keep the center of the slide. After that we should add some stains and chemicals here. After that we can keep the slides here means we can observe your eyes. You should keep your eyes here. You can see here if you focus the microscope through the slide means we can focus that microorganism from the slide. If we are seeing here means we can observe like this organisms. This is the structure of bacteria. Bacteria is also one of the microorganism. Is it or not? So, see how we can see the microorganisms means we can keep the slide under the microscope. We can observe the microorganisms through the microscope. If you focus the microscope like this means we can see like this the small tiny organism microbes. Okay. See, this microscope having the two lenses. One we can see through our eyes. If you keep your eyes in this lens, here 3 lenses will be there. It has the 10 times, 4 times better, it can focus like that. Okay. So, we can adjust like that organisms and then it has one more glasses is there. This glass reflect the thing, so we can clearly see through this microorganism in this microscope. Clear? And then, okay, we saw that microorganism means it is very tiny organism. We cannot see through our naked eye. We can see only the microscope like that we saw. Okay, where the microorganisms are there? You know that the microorganisms are found everywhere. Yes, everywhere we can find this microorganism. How they can grow means they can grow rapidly. How rapidly they can grow means wherever they get the warm condition as well as the moisture, food and air. these four things is available for them means they can grow wherever. They can grow everywhere, they can grow rapidly. Clear? They are also organism, no. If your living thing means, we saw the last session, living thing means they need air, they need food, they need the condition particular temperatures like that, no. So as well as they also can grow rapidly. How they can grow rapidly means they need the warm condition as well as the moisture and then food and air. They get like this condition means they can grow everywhere. Clear? Then where do microorganisms are grow? Where do they grow? You know that? See, they may grow in soil, in water, inside or outside of the body, and then some other animals also. So microbes, where do microorganisms are grow? Microorganisms can grow in soil. They grow in soil. Some microbes are present in the soil. This is the reason if you are walking without the slippers means sometimes we can feel some itches inside the feet. No. This is the reason some microbes are present there. They attach with our feet. So that's why they make itches to us. Okay. Then next one, water. See, if you are seeing the water bodies, what is water bodies? A river, lake, pond, like that water bodies, we can see some green like things is there, no, some slippery things is there, no. If you keep your leg means it will make your slippery to us, no. That is actually called that, what is that? Fungi. We are saying the Pasi, we are saying not, no. Pasi, we are saying no. That is the fungus. It is also one of the microbes. And then we can see the one more thing is the outside and inside of the bodies. Outside and the inside of the bodies. Even we are also the host for the microbes. How there means inside our body some microbes are there. For example, we can say our mouth. I told no, the leftover food particles is there means they can bacteria can grow easily in that places. And then our small intestine, stomach, so everywhere inside our body some microbes are present. They get the food and air from our host cell. Then next one, outside our body. Outside our body means we cannot see microbes, but some microbes are present on our skin. And then we have the dandruff on our head, no, that also one of the microbe, that is the fungus. Okay, so microbes are grow, we can found this inside and outside our body. After that, they can grow other animals also. They can grow other animals also. This is the reason some animals and birds are getting the flu like the diseases. No, the reason for the microbes are growing there. Even the plants also getting some diseases. That also one of the microbes growth. Okay. Next. Then I told our mouth and blood, it gives the favorable condition to the certain microbes. I told no, the leftover food particles stuck in between our teeth, no. So some microbes can grow in the leftover food particles. And then so our mouth is giving the favorable condition because our mouth always in the moisture as well as we have some temperature in our body, so they can easily grow in our mouth. Even our blood also. Even our blood also some microbes can grow. This is the reason we are often affected by some diseases, no, common cold, flu, polio, like that, because some microbes can grow easily in the blood. So through the blood microbes can grow easily. Okay, next one. Some microbes cause diseases. They cause us diseases. We know that if a microbe is there means they can make a disease as well as they giving the useful characters also. Okay. Some microbes giving the, not all the microbes, particular some microbes alone giving the harmful characters to the animals, plants as well as the human beings also. So a microbe which giving the harmful things. Harmful means it gives the disease, means that like microbes are called germs. That like microbes are called germs. See that microbes are in many varieties of microbes is there. Some microbes giving the harmful condition. They are giving the harmful. Harmful means they give the disease to the all the living things. All the living thing means plant, animal, human being, like that living things, they are giving harmful things. So that microbes which make a disease to the living things, that microbes are called germs. Okay, disease causing microbes are called germs. But however, we can say some microbes are useful things. Some microbes gives the useful things to us. Isn't it? Next one, kinds of microbes. Kinds of microbes. See, microbe, we saw that microbe, I told already, microbes are many types. Okay, here they given 4 main kinds of the microbes. How they given? 4 main kinds. Okay, one is the bacteria. First one is bacteria. Second one is virus. Third one protozoa, and then fungi. So this is the 4 main kinds of the microorganisms. Apart from this, we can say many microbes. Fifth one, if I say, means algae. Algae also one of the microorganism. Like this, many microorganisms is there. Okay, see, you can see here now the types of microorganism. One is bacteria. I showed that in the first slide, no, the bacteria will be like looking like this. Okay, and then protozoa. Protozoa also a single cell things. And then fungi. Fungi, we can see the many things in our house. If the vegetable or fruits will spoiled, means we can see the some white color sponges is there. No, actually this is the fungi. Okay. Then next one is the algae. Virus also one of the microorganism. Clear? We have to see one by one about this. First we have to see bacteria. Microorganism is bacteria. See, bacteria are the single celled microscope. What is the single celled? See, if a house is there, means it is constructed with the many bricks will help to construct. No, see, all the many means 1,000 or lakhs of the bricks used to construct. No, suppose a house is made up of only one brick, means that is the single cell. You understand what I am trying to say? See, we know that if a building is there, means the building have many rooms is there. Kitchen room, bathroom, and then living room, bedroom, like that many rooms are there. But the whole building used to construct a small brick. The small brick is used to the thousands of millions of bricks used for construct the building. No, it has many rooms. We are using all the rooms. Suppose all the rooms is present only the one brick, means what is this? This is the single cell microorganism. Clear? We are all the multicellular organism, because we are having lot of the cells is there. Many cells join together make our body structure. Even the animals, plants also. But these microbes are made up of only the one cell. This is the reason we cannot see them with our naked eye. Is it or not? So, bacteria are single celled microscope. Single cell means the whole body made up of only the one cell. Clear? Then they may be it has the different shapes of the bacteria are there. Many different types of the bacteria are there. Okay, they given here rod shape, spiral, and round shape. Spiral shape, we can see that. No. And then rod shape means we can see the bacillus, lactobacillus. Actually this is only present in our milk. Okay, and then spiral shape they given here. No, this is the spiral shape like that. And then round shape. So many type of the different shapes of the bacteria we can see. Each and every bacteria having the special characters. They having the whether the useful as well as the harmful characters also. Okay. Then I told they giving the harmful characters. No, they make the diseases, they cause the diseases. What are the diseases? One is the typhoid fever, and then next one is the tuberculosis. Tuberculosis means we are saying TB. TB means the continuous dry cough is there, no, that is called the TB. It attacks the lungs, okay. And then next one is the pneumonia. Pneumonia is making by this coccus bacteria make this pneumonia, okay. So this is the disease caused by the bacteria. And then apart from this, next we have to see virus. Next one is the virus. See, viruses are smaller than bacteria. I told there we can see the microorganism under the microscope, no, but this virus is there, no, this virus is 10,000 times smaller. How many times? 10,000 times smaller compared than the bacteria. Bacteria also even a microscope. When compared with bacteria, this virus is 10,000 times smaller, means how we can see it is not possible, no. So how we can see the smaller viruses means we can see only the powerful microscope. I showed the last slide the microscope, no, it is as usual microscope, we can see other microbes. What is that? Bacteria, fungi, algae, we can see that, but this virus is more smaller than the bacteria, even the 10,000 times. So we need some special microscope. What does that means? Electron microscope, oil microscope, like that advanced microscopes is there. We can use this microscope, means we can see this viruses. Clear? Then they cause diseases. Even the virus also making lot of the diseases. Okay, what does that means? Chicken pox. Chicken pox means the mumps we are saying, no, that is the chicken pox. And then flu. Flu means influenza virus make this flu. Then next one is the polio. Polio means before time some children will be grown in the attacked the leg. The leg will be not working, okay. So like this disease is called the polio, okay. But nowadays they are giving the drops for that vaccines. So nowadays the newborn baby has not this like disease, clear. And then dengue. Dengue is actually caused by the it is one of the virus. Dengue fever will make the virus, but it is transferred through the mosquitoes, clear. Next one is the common cold. Common cold means we are having the running nose. Often we attack the running nose, no. This is also one of the virus disease, okay. So this is the virus, and then see, next one is the protozoa. Next one is protozoa. Protozoa is also one of the microorganism. See, I told that no, bacteria is a single cell, as well as protozoa also the single cell microorganism. This also makes the malaria, dysentery, like this diseases caused by the protozoa. We can say many examples for the protozoa. One is the paramecium. This is the structure of paramecium. This is the single cell protozoa. Next one is the amoeba. Amoeba, and the special things is there for amoeba. It has no definite shape, okay. It is the irregular shape of the amoeba. Next one is the euglena. Euglena is also one of the protozoa. Then next one is the plasmodium. This plasmodium, it is the one of the protozoa. It make the disease the malaria. Malaria disease is there, no. It is caused by this plasmodium protozoa. It transferred through the mosquitoes. And then trypanosoma, it is also one of the protozoa. These are all examples for the protozoa single cell organism. Then last one is the fungi. Last one is fungi. See, fungi is microscope which grow in the decaying matter. See, We can see fungi in our house also. How we can see means, suppose we are keep some spoiled vegetables or fruits in our house means we can see like this here, white spongy things as we can observe on this spoiled vegetables. No, actually this is the fungi. This is the actual structure it is called the molds. Okay. Molds means the buds of the fungi. See, then next one is the structure of fungi is this, like we can see some mushroom is there, no, mushroom. If the warm places is there means we can see like this mushrooms. Actually the mushroom is the multicellular fungi. We saw their protozoa, bacteria are the single celled, but this fungi alone we can see either unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular means like this molds are the single cell fungi. But this what is that, agaricus means that mushroom is a multicellular fungi. So fungi we can see whether it is unicellular or multicellular. Apart from this, where they can grow means mostly these fungi grow on the dead and decayed matter. Dead and decayed matter means, suppose if the animal or the plant will be died means the microbes can grow there. That is actually the fungi, and then one is the bacteria. Why they means they cannot prepare the food, so they suck the nutrition from the decayed matter, so easily they can grow there. Apart from this, the wet places is there. During the rainy times we can see like this small molds. This is also one of the fungi. Okay. Then this fungi causes skin diseases. What is the skin disease? Actually the ringworm. You know the ringworm, no? On our skin, on the skin we can see like this ringworms. It is the disease of the fungi. Okay. And then athlete foods. This is also one of the skin disease. So like this diseases caused by the fungi. Then some useful characters of the microorganism. Now we saw that the harmful characters of microbes. No, some microbes giving the useful characters. What does that means? They given here two. One is the yeast, another one is the bacteria. What is the yeast means? It is one of the type of fungi. It is a single cell fungi. Okay. This yeast is used for the bread. It is used to making the bakeries for the bread. Why means, if you add some yeast, the crystal yeast we can add the bread flour means, it after the 2-3 hours it makes the bread soft and fluffy. If you cut the slices of the bread means we can see some hair folds there means, because the yeast making the respiration. Okay, during the respiration they let out the carbon dioxide. No, during the respiration they are let out the carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide makes the bread fluffy and soft, because the air holes is there. That's why the bread is fluffy and soft. Clear? And then this is the uses of the yeast. Apart from this, we can say many uses of yeast. We can say the wine, the grape wine is there. No, it is used to make your yeast. It is all the fermentation process of the yeast. Clear? And then next one is the bacteria. As well as bacteria is also used in many ways. How they means, you are using the milk in your home, no? This milk, the curd, your mother preparing the curd, no? Actually how it is made means, if your mother added 1 or 2 spoon curd into the milk, no? The overnight some bacteria can grow in this milk. Okay, this is the reason the milk converted into like this curd. What is there means, actually the lactobacillus, it is one of the bacteria, it grows in the milk, that's why the milk converted into curd. Clear? This is one of the reason. And then next one we can say the milk curd, no. Then next one is the vitamins. Vitamins, the vitamin B12 is there, no? Vitamin B12, this is actually made from the vitamin riboflavin, it is called. It is also we can get from the fungi. Then Next one, help rotting of dead plants and animals. I told no, if the dead animals and plants is there means some microbes can grow. They get that things is how they means they absorb the nutrition from the dead animals. After that slowly that animal will destroy it from that place. This is the way they are helping us to clean our surroundings. Clear? Next one, help in the digestion of roughage in animals. Digestion of roughage. See, I told some bacteria are present in our small intestine. I told no, this is our stomach. After that, the small intestine is there. No, in our small intestine, some microbes are there. This is the bacteria. How they help us means this bacteria make our digestion easy. How it does make means if you are having the roughage means that starchy things is this bacteria make us give the digestion process easy. So digestion will be easy for this microbe. Thank you children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and will receive our latest updates. Thank you.